Hakaway ke jinja accident ka belajar hasrok ba National Highway mauding way nung nya jong kawe ka truck ubadon yung number AS not iwe RC iwe nyon ruar ulak klat no hadin ba ulay bentenra na din jong kawe pat ka truck ka badon yung number ML iwe A iwe saw not kat kum ke kubar balayo lum kane ka jinja ka lajah ne ka step perngap syutrik gulbar hakapor saw khat sani ka ba ka te ka truck ka badon yung number AS not iwe RC iwe nyon ruar kabalanya step bahag kalali bentenra na din jong kawe pat ka truck ka badon yung number ML iwe A iwe saw not haduk bau nongnya jong ketika truck kepada new number AS not iwe RC iwe nyon ruar ula sakut syupor hapok ketika truck nagal yang gibor pulit jong kenong pot traffic marsunyo jintep balor kane kajinja kila lech ketika jaka ban penlong ke jintoket ban sayu ti nongnya napok ketika truck bat penkit marmarcha civil hospital nongpo henry namar ka jin syutom ka bajoru laklat no na kane keslap pertai.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center